Hi everybody, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. So today I'm going to be unboxing Armoire Style, which is a monthly subscription rental company. So I first heard about it from my friend on Instagram. You should definitely go follow her. Confessions of a Super Ager, Isabella. She's amazing. So she tried on several items from Armoire, and I just loved every single piece. So I reached out to her and I got her link, and now I'm going to be unboxing my first bag. So this is the way it comes. Very, very simple. I like that. So go ahead and open this. Okay, so this rental company is it costs $149 to rent, and you get, I believe the minimum is 4 pieces. And you get to choose like pieces that you like online. But I do have a code. You can get your first bag for $49. So you can get it on in the description below. I have the link there in the description below, so you can try out Armoire yourself. So here's the bundle. Look how nice that looks. Green, red, black, some of my favorite colors. And then here we've got little packing note. Welcome. We're excited to share our closet with you. We hope you enjoy your first case. Flip this card over for our FAQs on what happens next. Oh, so the really cool thing about this is that as soon as you send something back, they'll send something to you right away. So you can like exchange clothes all month long. And these are supposed to be like very high quality name brand clothing. And here's the bag to put your stuff, send your stuff back. So the pieces are rental pieces again, and so they have been worn. Some pieces you'll get some that if it has a tag, then you're the first person to wear it. Okay, so this is a Bowden wrap dress. It's like a knit material. It doesn't have like a style card here. Well, I know it's all online. I mean, I saw it all online, but the prices are online as well. So I like this sleeve. It's very nice. I love the color. Very good quality. So I'm excited to try that on. Might be wearing that tomorrow. Next, and see, this one has a tag, so this is brand new. This one is by Cupcakes and Cashmere. Oh, this one is, let me tell you the size. Well, on the try-ons, I'll tell you the size too, but this one is a US 10 regular. Okay, so this is, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is a jumpsuit. I liked it because I thought it was like modest enough to wear to work. You know, it's not spaghetti string. I could still wear something on top of this if I wanted to, but it's really nice. Oh no, you know what? It's a little bit sheer, so might not be able to wear it to work. But look how gorgeous it is. I love the bottoms. Look how big they are. This is gonna look so nice. I hope it fits. So that one is a large. I got a large in that one. Yeah. Okay, the next one is this one is also by Bowden, and this is this is also a 10. It will look red on the. It looks red, right? Red or orangey. So this is just a simple dress, you know, that I can wear for like casual Fridays or something. And it's got this, it's very stretchy still in the middle, and it's a good length. So try that on in a minute. And this one, this one is, see, my problem is that I don't look at material sometimes. This one is super thick. It's so gorgeous though. It's just a beautiful fitted dress. Totally my style. I love it. Maybe I'll still wear it, but it's super thick material. It's like sweater-like material. So I don't think, it's like 100 degrees outside, so I don't think I'll be able to wear this after all. But maybe I can send it back in one of the bags. All right, so that's it for now. So let's get the try on going. Thanks. Hi, okay, well here is the Bowden wrap dress by Armoire, and I really like it. It's a size medium. It looks It's a little bit big, but I think it's okay. I can still wear it. I'll probably wear it to work tomorrow. And this one, the retail value, I did pull up my computer so I could see the retail value. The retail value for this is $146, but if I wanted to purchase it, I can get 10% off. Okay, here's the other Bowden dress, and look, it's got pockets. I love this dress a lot. I like the way it fits. It's so comfortable. I think this dress is going to be perfect to go out with the family. The retail value for this dress is $120, and if I wanted to purchase it, I could purchase it for $108. Okay, so here is the jumpsuit, and I love it. I just showed it to my husband, and he was like, yes. And so this one, the retail value for this one is $128. If I purchase it, I can get it for $115. And again, this brand is Cupcakes and Cash. Isn't it super sexy? I love, love, love it. And well, you can't see it here, but I think I showed you that the bottoms are really big. So these are really nice with some strappy heels. So this is the tailored dress by Armoire, and I absolutely love this dress. I am still gonna wear it even though it's a little bit of sweater material. This one, the retail value for this one is $118, and if I wanted to purchase it, it would be $71.